Welcome to Foundations of Math and Pre-Calc 10. My name is Joyce Rose. That's my married name, so you will find where my contact information is here on the side underneath the picture of me without glasses and Pat the Bunny. So if you notice here, there's my phone number with my extension, and my email is not Froze because Froze is my married name. Please email me or call me. Email is probably a little bit easier just because I do teach all day on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, and I might not get back to you on those days, especially if I am in class. If you email me and I have a moment, then I will check my email and I will try to contact you back as soon as I can. So here's the Moodle site, and you'll find I'm recording all the grades and the links for all of the videos are here. One thing I do want to point out to you is on the left side here. If you do not see that, and I just learned this one, is this button with the 3 lines. That will take that away. So if it's not there, just click on that button. And I really like this because you can click here and you can see your grades right away. And this will summarize all of your grades and the comments and the feedback and everything is here. So this is really nice. You can check to see how you're doing, see if you forgot to hand something in, things like that. Let's go back to the course. You just click on this cookie right there. This is going to be a flipped classroom. So that means instead of doing long lectures in the class, I've made up some videos so you can watch the videos and take notes on those videos. You do have a workbook, and I've made the videos to follow along in the workbook. So you don't have to, but it is encouraged to take the notes inside the workbook. If you want to take the notes separately on a separate paper, that is fine. Just please remember to bring it to class. There will be some homework video quizzes in class, just to make sure that you've watched the video and that you understand what's going on. And then the majority of the class is going to be doing work, answering questions, helping students where they're struggling, projects, more quizzes, and some tests as well. The introduction section has the welcome letter that I will be sending to you. There are some formula sheets. I will also give formulas as we work through the classroom. Just to let you know, in terms of calculators, you will need a scientific calculator in class. You can find them for about $10 at Costco or places like that. They are relatively cheap now. You will not be allowed to use your phone or your laptop as a calculator, especially during quizzes and tests. So I would highly recommend that you do get a scientific calculator and you get used to where everything is and how it works before you have to do a quiz or a test with it. The Getting Active section, these are the things that you need to finish before the entire course is open to you. It's approximately 5% of the course. We're starting off with the Codes Mathematics documentary. So that is actually a television show. It's to help you get some insight as to the broadness of mathematics as well as how it pertains to everyday life as well as nature. So please take some notes on that. Beautiful way to start off the course. There are also some logic problems. We're going to be doing 3 logic problems for the duration of the course, so 1 per term. Please make sure you explain the process that you used to solve the problem. Some problems are easier than others. A lot of it depends on your preference and the way you think. Everybody's a little different. Then we're going to do the Pythagorean theorem. So there's a video there as well as an assignment. So please take notes on the video. It'll help you remember all the steps needed to do the assignment for the Pythagorean theorem. And then we have Trig Lesson 1. There's a video and there's an assignment. The trig lessons are in your workbook. So make sure you pick a workbook up from the library. And then Trig Lesson 2 and an assignment. Once you've finished that, you are considered active in the course, and you will see the rest of the course. Let's go to the whole course. So this stuff will open up to you. So now you'll be here working in trig. So we'll finish the trig unit, and then radicals, exponents, algebra basics, factoring, relations and functions, linear relations, systems of linear relations, probability, and then financial literacy. Please make sure that you do come to class. Make sure you email me if you're not able to attend. I will be sending out weekly homework notices. So the weekly notices are going to be coming up here under latest announcements. You also get an email notification. Please make sure you go through and you read through the homework emails. I will try to give you heads up in terms of tests when they're coming up, things like that. Remind you about things that we did in class that are done or that are going to be due. Please note that the best use of class time is to go over difficult questions with me so I can help you, to do our projects, so I really recommend that you watch the videos at home, take the notes of them at home, and do some of the easier questions that we'll be doing at home. It just will make better use of class time, and you will understand the material a lot better. So we're spending an hour and a half in class. That is less than half of what you would spend in a normal school, I guess. Plus, you would have homework on top of that. So please keep in mind that you'll probably want to spend at least an hour a day on math. Some weeks will be more, some hopefully not more. Some weeks you'll probably spend about an hour a day on math, and some weeks you'll probably spend less. It really depends. There will be a couple of flipped weeks as well where I will be asking you to do some work at home. The key thing here is communication and remembering to ask for help when you need it. I look forward to seeing you in class.